Hello and welcome back to Way to Ageless. Today, we're diving into the heart of nature's pantry, herbs and spices, and exploring how they can be our key to a healthier, more vibrant life. Herbs and spices have been revered throughout history for their culinary prowess, aromatic allure, and, perhaps most importantly, their potential health benefits. Let's delve into the fascinating realm of herbs and spices, understanding their rich history, and unveiling the top 12 powerhouses that can contribute to your well-being. So, what exactly are herbs and spices? Well, herbs are the leaves of plants, like basil or mint, while spices come from other plant parts, such as seeds, roots, or bark, as seen in cinnamon or cumin. Beyond their culinary use, these botanical wonders have a rich history steeped in both flavor and healing. Throughout history, civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese recognized the therapeutic properties of herbs and spices. The Silk Road played a pivotal role in the exchange of these treasures, influencing cultures across the globe. Today, as we seek alternatives in holistic health, the age-old wisdom surrounding herbs and spices is making a powerful comeback. In a world dominated by modern medicine, the allure of alternative remedies is growing. Herbs and spices offer a natural and holistic approach to health, often with fewer side effects than pharmaceuticals. Many of these botanical wonders boast anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making them valuable allies in maintaining overall well-being. Now, let's unveil the stars of today's show, the 12 best herbs and spices for better health. Renowned for its active compound, curcumin, turmeric possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is hailed for its potential in managing conditions like arthritis and promoting heart health. A versatile spice with anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is also celebrated for its role in digestive health. It may alleviate symptoms of nausea and support overall gut function. Garlic isn't just a kitchen essential, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Known for its immune-boosting properties, garlic also supports heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Beyond its delightful flavor, cinnamon has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, making it a potential ally in managing blood sugar levels. It also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary has been associated with enhanced cognitive function. It may also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, supporting overall immune health. Oregano is a potent source of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. It may contribute to immune health and has been explored for its potential in fighting infections. Known for its soothing properties, mint aids digestion and may help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Its refreshing aroma can also provide relief from headaches. Cumin is not just a culinary delight, it may support digestion, improve blood sugar control, and possess anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme contains compounds with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been explored for its potential in respiratory health and immune support. Sage has been traditionally used for its cognitive-enhancing properties. It may also possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Beyond its distinct flavor, cardamom may aid digestion, boost metabolism, and provide relief from respiratory issues. Basil is more than a culinary delight, it offers anti-inflammatory properties, supports heart health, and may have antimicrobial effects. Now that we've uncovered the benefits of these 12 herbs and spices, let's dive into creative ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. From herbal infusions for a hydrating kick to spice-enhanced snacking and versatile salad dressings, we've got you covered. Spice up your grill sessions with seasoned proteins and unwind with soothing herbal teas. And that's not all. Explore flavorful rice pilafs, herb-infused cooking oils, mouth-watering marinades, fresh herb garnishes, DIY spice blends, aromatic baking, and herbal sippable elixirs. The key? Enjoy the process and let these herbs and spices enhance both flavor and well-being. There you have it, dear viewers, the incredible world of herbs and spices. Incorporating these 12 botanical wonders into your life might just be the flavorful key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Here's to the wisdom of the ages and to many more years of discovery and growth. Thank you for being part of the Way to Ageless family, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay ageless.